Hello our dear subscribers, spectators, audience. Today I solved with my teacher a little interesting problem from SAT preparation book, and it is so interesting to tell you about this. Here the problem was given. A baseball team has won 40 games out of 60 played. It has 32 more games to play. How many of these must the team win to make its record 35% for the season? The variants are given here. So at first we know that they have already played 60 play 60 game, and they won 40 games, and they must play 32 more games to play. The total we add 60 to 32, and the total number of the games will be 92, and the solution of this problem will be in this figure. So 75%
In this page, yes.
in this page, yeah, 75%, we can say that 3/4 of 92,
Yes.
and we can subtract 69.
We must subtract.
69
Oh.
to 40, and the answer will be 22, and the baseball team must win will win 22, and they can record 75% for the season.
Yes. So first you found 69.
Yeah.
So it means from 92 games, the team must win 69 in order to make its record 75%. Yes.
For the season.
The rest of plays must the team win is 29. The correct answer also
B.
variant B
29.
29.
Don't forget to subscribe us, to put likes. We are all present, and we are so glad to see you again.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.